morning, everyone. Day 2 of daily vlogs. So far, so good.
Day 2 of the hell.
What?
Day 2 of the hell that we're going to be going through.
I enjoy it. I don't know about you. I enjoy it.
It's day 2. Wait till we get to day 28.
Well, I enjoy filming. So we are at the, I didn't even look at the name. I can't remember the name of it.
It's not Rocky Point.
Stony Cape?
Let me look
Please
it up.
hold. What's close? Table Cape Lighthouse. I swear we know what we're doing. Yeah, we're at Table Cape Lighthouse. The views out here are absolutely just amazing. I'll stop saying absolutely stunning. It is amazing out here. There is a walk you can do that is a K across the cliffs, and there's a lookout there. So we were just there, and it looks pretty good. We drove here because we thought we'd do that walk over the lookout and back. So I think that'll be better. But yeah, the sun's coming out. We should get some nice shots. Last night, we said we were going to go to Midway Point last night. When we got there, chockers. It was so busy. So at the end of January, February sort of thing in Tassie, everybody who's doing the big lap at the moment seems to be at Midway Point. Or at least Tassie. I'm sure there's loads of people on the east side.
It was the busiest I've ever seen it, yeah. Yeah,
it was so busy. So we ended up stealthing in Burnie and leaving early and coming up here, which is why we are here. I had a different start today. I thought we were going to be at Midway. But you know, we have to roll with the punches. But this is really beautiful. And here's the gate here to go through. Walkway up here. Little plaque on that rock.
Yeah, loving memory.
Oh.
But you can see why. Look at that.
Oh wow! Look at that
real
view.
Pretty down there.
That's crazy. Oh, you can just see the lighthouse up there.
Yeah.
How beautiful is that? Oh, look at the light behind you there.
Oh.
Smile.
I'm bathed.
Alright, we stayed up here for a little too long and now
we drank our coffee.
We drank our coffee.
And now we need more coffee and we still haven't even got to the end of this very short walk.
Yeah. Oh, you have to take time to appreciate the view, don't you guys? Sit and have a chat. Appreciate life. Don't just walk past. Alright, let's continue on. Alright, we're almost at the lookout. Just up here. It wasn't too bad, was it?
It seems like an arduous journey because we stopped halfway. It's only about a kilometre, like you said.
How cool are those wheat fields?
They are cool.
They're so tall.
Cinematically, they're very cool.
I'm wondering if it's snakes in there though. Like,
yeah. I reckon.
I'm constantly worried about snakes.
We saw a first one yesterday, didn't we? It was going across the road.
Yeah.
I thought it was dead, and then I see it moving. So, but we were in the van, so we were good.
Yeah, we're in the van, but it's the first snake sighting, and it was a hot day. I'm terrified of those things, eh? I just want to see one on the track. So far, so good. Getting up to this lookout now, and the clouds are over, but still should be nice. Fun fact: this Table Cape is remnant of a lava lake, an old solidified lava lake.
It was an old volcano, 13.3 million years ago.
13 million years ago, wow. Fun fact for today.
13.3 million years ago.
That's crazy,
That feels like when we started YouTube.
Yeah. Feels like how old I am some days. that water down there. Beautiful colour. I'm waiting for the sun to pop out slightly so you can see just how pretty that is. But yeah, what a view, hey? Good morning!
The sky has changed.
I feel like Scooter. A grey cloud is kind of worrying actually. How dark it is. I'm hoping the sun will come out in this little hole here. Now this is to show that we haven't actually walked that far. You can see the van and the lighthouse just over there. How cool does that look? That looks cool.
That's really nice.
All right guys, we're going to head back to the van now and I need to edit because
Daily vlogs need editing.
daily vlogs need work. So I'm going to edit for I don't know how long I'm going to need. So,
yeah.
But we'll pick you back up. We're going to go into Wynyard and have a look around there. And
Maybe grab a coffee and maybe
grab a
cake
coffee.
of some sort.
A what?
A cake.
See, it's Sunday, guys, and our budget rolls over on a Sunday. And this guy feels that
our splurge budget, so we can spend.
we
what
do have a splurge budget. So we have our finances organised, and we have something called splurge, which means
it's $50 each.
Whatever you want to spend money on.
Like. If I want to spend it on scratchies, I'll spend it on scratchies. No judgment.
So no, there is no. Well, true. So he may get something. Anyway, pick you up then. We were just saying that it hasn't rained for a while for us.
And then all of a sudden the heavens opened.
We wanted to come down here, walk the little fella, and yes.
So we're going to wait this out, and then we're going to take you around Wynyard.
Yeah, Wynyard looks really pretty actually. Well, it did in the sun.
I don't know how long this rain's going to be. I have to check the radar, but there was a forecast of a bit of snow coming over hitting the west side of the country.
Oh yeah, not here.
Just for one night, down to 900 metres. And I was like, oh, why are we in the mountains again? But it doesn't matter. We get a bit of rain because we're in the warmer bits.
Yeah, I mean, not ideal, but
it's nice. And if it's going to be like this for a couple of days, that's okay because the van's going in for some work, and that means that we can shelter it out without being stuck in the van, eh?
Yeah, you'll just have to put up with us talking to you for a while in the Airbnb, but
Oh.
no, I think it'll be fine. We'll just wait it out here and we'll back to you in a sec, guys. Well, we'll take you for a walk, buddy. Lockdown happening at the back. We're going to take him for a walk and come back and then pick you guys up and we'll take you for a walk. You have to go in separately because it's just easier.
Yes, otherwise you try and film something and just tugs the camera out of the way.
Yeah, he does. So we'll take you first, buddy, okay? He looks pumped. When you're travelling, you learn to appreciate places like Wynyard. Uncomplicated, welcoming, and full of little moments. A walk through the park on High Street was one of them, and some moments don't need words. Now that Pablo has walked, he's settled in, air conditioning's on, let's go to the town of Wynyard. We're going to go to a cafe that looks real cool. It's called Vault, and I do believe, judging by the name, that it used to be a bank. I mean, logic would say, right?
It looks like a bank as well.
Yeah, it'd be cool. Sometimes they do stuff that's real cool inside these little cafes that are meant to be something else. Maybe there's an actual vault in there still.
There was one at Bordertown. Do you remember that? It had the bank and they had the vault door and they let you could have a go and look in, but they used it as a storeroom. Cool.
Yeah, so hopefully they'll have something like that down here. Knowing our luck, nothing. But I have hopes. This is the Vault Cafe and Bar, one of Wynyard's most unique spots. It isn't just a regular cafe, it's housed in nearly century-old heritage-listed bank building, beautifully restored into a coffee shop by day and a sophisticated bar and restaurant by night. The interior keeps tons of character, exposed brick and creative decor, clever repurposed pieces, and even a book room with hundreds of titles lining the walls. No alcohol, guys.
Non-alcoholic ginger beer for you. And flat white for me, obviously.
Looks so good. Looks so nice, eh? Look at that.
Nice.
I'm impressed. But the highlight we have to talk about is the bathroom. Because the loo here was literally once the bank's vault room, the place where money and valuables were stored nearly 100 years ago. It is often pointed out as one of the quirkiest part of this place, a reminder of its past life and a real banking hall. A coffee shop that doubles as a tiny history lesson, and yes, don't forget to check out the vault toilet while you're here. How cool was that?
What an awesome cafe that was.
That was so
The attention
cool.
to detail was very good.
Yeah, the lady, I didn't record it because you got up too quick, but she walked us around and showed us what everything was. Like there was the old paper room that still, all the locks and stuff still work. And of course the toilet used to be the old vault. And
Just
the
like,
room with the books.
Like the resined in coins on
the floor, all through the cafe.
That wall of books was actually real books.
Yeah, real books. And yeah, it used to be someone's office because there's a door in the corner and stuff. It's so strange. I love quirky stuff like that.
Yeah. Food's good there. Food's good. Very impressed with that burger.
Yeah, so here we are at the little town of Wynyard. It's very cute actually. I love the little touches of the flowers along the edge of the main street here. It just gives that extra something, like you know where you are, you know?
Yeah.
So cute. Oh, you found is that a street library?
Street library hasn't got the book. Well, the thing is, we already got the
I've already got the book.
Sorry.
I'm currently reading the book. I'm still trying to find it to justify that my payment of it because I had to buy it from an actual book shop.
Oh, yeah.
It's still not there, so I can still say that it was worth the money.
Yeah. Well, that looks quite good.
Hey?
That looks quite
You
good.
haven't finished your current one yet?
I know. I'm going to challenge. Another challenge for myself is to read a book once a month because I have too many books. But that looks good. I could look out for that next time.
Why don't you just take it now?
Oh.
If you want that one. And we'll put the other one back in here. You know, the one that we have, the Japanese one, maybe.
Yeah, I'll give
Not
that a
yet?
go. I'll give that a go. Okay.
We'll bring the other one back here. Okay, there's shiploads. That's our pull-off stop. It is a really, really cool little town. I'm surprised we haven't been here before.
It's another one of those towns that, because it's not on the main road, you just drive straight past
Yeah,
it.
I know. Yes, I know. We should have
It's worth a
stopped
stop. It's definitely worth a stop. Unfortunately, most of it's shut today because it's a Sunday.
later. Sunday.
Sunday today.
Oh, I thought you said Saturday.
It's a Sunday today.
Yeah, so we're going to go with shiploads. There's a couple of things I want to get from there. And we will see you tomorrow, guys. See ya.